Yo, Denver Vlogs back with another video. What's up? How you doing? I hope everyone's enjoying their day. It's raining. You can't see it, but it's raining. Today we have a big day. My friend Jomar comes home from the Marine Corps for the weekend. We're gonna go ahead and go skating because we haven't done that in years. And then we're hitting up a car meet. So basically we're gonna hit up a car meet and we're gonna hit up the skating rink because we haven't done both in a while. We're gonna be with Diego, Javi, me, and Jomar. And you'll see everyone in the video at some point. It's gonna be a busy day. So I'm on the way to Jomar's house now. And then, sorry, I'm trying to make sure I don't hit anything. I'm on the way to Jomar's house now. And then you guys will obviously see everything we're gonna do. Stay tuned. If you guys don't want to see a specific part of the video as far as like the skating rink or the car meet, just skip ahead. Just skip ahead because the car meet is pretty interesting. The whole video is gonna be interesting for someone, whether if you prefer skating or whether if you prefer the car meet life. All right, so just stay tuned. Don't click off the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know how you guys feel about the video. If you do subscribe, comment below saying subscribed so that I can reply to you and you can be a part of the movement. All right, thank you guys.
Stop, oh my god. Oh yeah, go ahead. Hold on, now you it's another pair.
Double solo.
I skate Sunday night.
Go Bobo.
What about I'm so high? Will that make it better? Do you want that one? I'll play both. Okay.
Stop trying hard! Yo, the date, your favorite. Adults are free.
Ride and beat, Jomar.
What'd you say? Go ahead, you're fine.
Okay, guys, let's take it back to the skate. So they can let's go in the direction. Once again, let's take it back to the skate. So they can flee in the regular direction. We got 18 minutes left to skate.
on blocks. Street niggas in the tuxedo. Night I did a show on Mars. Yo, bitch ate my dick, I caught her on them bars. My pinky ring, extra large. Phones all in the garage. Remember my first one, none. Yeah. 4 year birthday, young, what's up?
Jomar, don't fucking break it. Don't fucking break it. I have it on camera, don't break it.
Oh shit. Hey! Hey! Wepa!
Take it off gear. Don't you just don't turn it off.
Do it one time.
Wait. Ready? Go.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Pay your bills and bad designer, but I don't
Downshift, you ready?
Everybody screaming gang, gang.